Okay, so I've got a magic bag for you. Let me explain how this works because there's a food app that I really like called Too Good To Go, and they have this thing called a magic bag where you pay one price, you have no idea what's going to be in the bag, you open it and it's a surprise. And I thought to mark the occasion, because we've got an extra day in February this month, 29th, I thought I'd do a surprise bag for the day. So you're going to pay one price and you're going to get 2 to 3 surprise workshops. Now, the workshops will cover a number of different modalities. Just to give you a clue, um, you are going to pay £75. That's what I'm thinking of at the moment. I might change my mind. But let's just say, for example, the core issue therapy day. What's that? 497. The raising your money vibration. I mean, they're all, varying different prices, but you pay £75. So there are going to be 6 different categories that the workshops might come from. So you've got relationships, and that's the 1 day workshop. The surviving and thriving after an affair, we've got spirituality. So in there, for example, the Huna energy clearing, the 1 day Huna and Ho'oponopono workshop, the 1 day mind body spirit energy fest. You've got the manifestation, so we've got the 10-part money breakthrough series, the 1 day magic and gratitude program, the 1 day money breakthrough program. We've got health and well-being, so the 7-part chakra series. We've got the core issue therapy day. We've got life purpose and future. That's the archetypal journey, the soul plan webinar, the future life progression sessions, and we've got the career and work, and that's the 1 day fearless public speaking workshop, the 1 day banish procrastination workshop, and the productivity supercharger. And those come in anything from $250 to, I think one of them is five. I think the core issue therapy day is $597. So you're just going to pay the one price. Now, if you are already on my e-newsletter list, this will be winging its way to you shortly. If you're not, you might want to head over to my website, transformationstm.com. That's TRANCE, F for Freddy, so FORMATIONS, When you land on the website, if you look top left, you'll see a place where you can sign up for my e-newsletter list. And the reason you might also want to do that, those of you on my e-newsletter list, you're going to get 3 workshops for £75. Those of you not on my list, you will get 2 workshops in your magic bag. And the clock is ticking on this one because, of course, the 29th of February is a rare day indeed. So as soon as you see this workshop, my suggestion is to get yourself on the list, or look out for the link. I'll put it somewhere on the URL for this special offer. I haven't finished setting up the booking page yet, so I'll add the URL afterwards. And this will be a surprise. As I said, you won't know what's in the magic bag. Now, I'm kind of thinking of possibly, maybe you can go, can I have one from relationships and one from professional development? But I'm still thinking about how best I want to do it. It's massive value. And I'd like to think my e-newsletter list is valuable as well. So if you're not on it, make sure you get yourself signed up. The short URL is www.bit.ly.com/ENL sign up, and that stands for e-newsletter sign up. My name is Marilyn Devonish, the Neuro Success Coach. For those that I haven't met before, my main website, as I said, is transformationstm.com. Click the red What's New button top right when you land on the site, and you'll be able to see what's coming up. So that's it. Enjoy your magic bag, and I know whatever you get, you will absolutely love it because I always get rave reviews. So yeah. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. If you know someone who could benefit from this particular offer, then please feel free to share the details with them. That would be absolutely amazing. And yeah, I look forward to it. I just thought we'd have a bit of fun with this one today. So thank you for watching. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you for sharing. And enjoy your virtual workshop, and they're all online on demand. So once I've set you up with your workshops, all you need to do is click your unique URL, your unique link, and that will take you straight inside your workshops. It's online on demand, so it's all available there at your fingertips. All right, catch you later. Marilyn Devonish, the Neuro Success Coach, over and out.